Friends, today we embark on a journey of creativity and craftsmanship. It's not just about building something, it's about the experience, the learning, and the joy that comes with it. We're gonna build a windmill. This isn't just any project, it's a symbol of ingenuity and sustainability. It's a fine way to spend an afternoon and you'll have something to show for it at the end. Imagine the pride you'll feel when you see it spinning in the wind. Maybe you need a project for school or a conversation starter for your mantle. Either way, this windmill will be a testament to your hard work and creativity. This windmill is just the thing. It's perfect for any setting, be it your garden, your home, or even as a gift. Building things with your hands brings a satisfaction no store-bought trinket can match. The process itself is therapeutic and rewarding. The wind whipping through those blades you crafted, that's the sweet taste of self-reliance. It's a reminder of what you can achieve with your own two hands. And don't you worry, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. We'll tackle this project together, making it a fun and educational experience. This project is about more than just following instructions. It's about bonding, learning, and creating something meaningful. It's about tapping into that innate human desire to create, to take raw materials and transform them into something beautiful and functional. So grab your tools and let's get started. Together, we'll make something truly special that you'll cherish for years to come. Now, before we start slapping things together willy-nilly, let's make sure we've got all our ducks in a row. Or in our case, all our supplies on the workbench. We don't want to be caught halfway through scrambling for a glue stick. So, let's go over what you'll need. You'll need some cardboard or thin plywood for the blades. Make sure it's sturdy enough to catch the wind but light enough to spin easily. A sturdy wooden dowel will serve as our rotor shaft. This will be the backbone of your windmill, so choose wisely. For the base, you can use a block of wood, a coffee can, or anything with a bit of heft to it. The base needs to be heavy enough to keep your windmill grounded. Scissors, glue, and tape are our trusty sidekicks for assembly. These will help you piece everything together securely. And if you're feeling fancy, some paint will add a splash of personality to your creation. You can choose any color that suits your style. Remember, these are just the basics. Feel free to improvise with what you have on hand. Got some bottle caps lying around? Those could make interesting blade weights, an old hubcap. Now we're talking windmill bling. The key is to be creative and resourceful. Use what you have and make it your own. First up, let's fashion those blades. This is where the magic begins. Draw your desired blade shape on your cardboard or plywood. Make sure to take your time and get the shape just right. Think airplane wing, nice and aerodynamic. Cut them out carefully, ensuring smooth edges for optimal performance. You'll need 4 of these bad boys. Consistency is key, so make sure each blade is identical. Now take your dowel and lay it down. This will be the central axis of your wind turbine. Space your blades evenly around it, like spokes on a wheel. This ensures balanced rotation. Secure them with glue and tape. Use a generous amount to ensure they stay in place. Make sure they're nice and snug. Press firmly to ensure a strong bond. We don't want any flyaway blades giving the neighbors a fright. Double-check the stability. With our rotor assembled, let's turn our attention to the base. This is the foundation of your wind turbine. Drill a hole in the center of your chosen base material. Precision is important here. This hole should be just large enough to accommodate the dowel. Measure twice, drill once. We want a snug fit so our windmill doesn't wobble in the breeze. A stable base ensures efficient energy capture. Now comes the moment of truth. Slide that dowel with the blades through the hole in your base. Give it a spin. Does it move freely? It should. Does it look like a windmill? It better. Now's your chance to let your creativity shine. Paint your windmill, decorate it with beads, feathers, whatever strikes your fancy. This is your masterpiece, so go wild. Find a nice breezy spot for your new windmill. A windowsill, a balcony, the top of your dog's house, with his permission of course. Watch it spin, and feel the satisfaction of a job well done. You've harnessed the power of the wind, my friend, and that's something to be proud of.